Hi everyone, I am Ojasvi and welcome back to my channel Shopee Travel Repeat. आज की वीडियो में मैं रिव्यू करने वाली हूँ products which are from the brand Wow and which were sent to me by them only. Even though the products are sponsored, but as always the review is going to be completely honest. So without wasting time, let's start with the review. उन लोगों ने मुझे 4 प्रोडक्ट सेंड किए थे, which is one is face wash, one is their multivitamin cream, next is the lavender and rose skin toner mist, and last but not the least the blemish care serum. तो अभी step by step I am going to use them and also review them alongside. Let's start with the face wash first. So this is their aloe vera range face wash, which is aloe vera foaming face wash, and इसके जो main ingredients हैं that is aloe vera leaf extract, hyaluronic acid and provitamin B5. पैकेजिंग की अगर बात की जाए तो it comes in this plastic bottle और जो quantity है that is 100 ml. And the unique thing about it is it comes with this brush that you can use to wash your face nicely. And ऊपर से इसकी ये lid भी आती है क्योंकि it is a pump it bottle. तो अगर आप पंप कर रहे हैं इसको it comes with a stopper कि अपने आप पंप ना हो जाए, and इसका एक lid भी आता है कि brush भी dirty ना हो. Quantity wise I would say it is good, 100 ml, and the price is around 399. But there are a lot of offers going on Wow, so you can always get it on a nice discounted price. So let me first tell you something about the brand Wow. It is an organic brand और इनकी product की जितनी भी range है वो भी organic ही है, and they have a huge range of products, guys. You can just visit their website. Description में आपको मैं उनका link दे दूँगी, and you can check out the huge range of products they have. And because they are organic, that's the reason I love this brand. The first reason, obviously, you know how I support the organic and herbal brands, and I always recommend those. So this is one of them. And when I say organic, it is also sulfate free, paraben free, and also silicone free, even color free as well. So I mean, these are like the plus points of the brand itself, because ये सब products में इनका ये रहेगा कि it will be sulfate and paraben free, and the main ingredients will be organic. So let's just start with the face wash first. As you can see कि मैंने makeup ज़्यादा apply नहीं किया हुआ है, so I'll just start using it. Just remove the lid, and what you need to do, you just need to pump it a little, and you can see the foam coming out. Gently apply this foam on your face. Oh, this is so good, guys. I just love it. It feels so good after using this. I mean, I have not just अभी मैंने wash भी नहीं किया है face को, but still the feeling is amazing using this face wash. I'm just surprised why didn't I use it earlier, क्योंकि इसकी feeling सच में बहुत अच्छी है. I'll just go and wash my face and then tell you how it is. I mean, wow, मैंने ये पहले use क्यों नहीं किया, because it is amazing. इसका जो ये unique feature है that is this brush. That is the best part, because while washing your face आप अपने face को deep cleanse भी कर रहे हो, which is really nice, और it gives an amazing feeling. You all must try it. जो इसके ingredients हैं that will hydrate your skin and also deep cleanse automatically हो ही जाएगा, because you are using this brush as well. So face wash का review, I would give it a thumbs up, and I really liked it. And not to forget, the fragrance is again amazing. So yeah, that's pretty much about the face wash. Let's move to the next product. The second product that I'm going to use and review is this lavender and rose toner mist. Again, the packaging is nice and classy. Plastic bottle में है. I would have loved अगर ये सब products glass bottle में होते, more eco-friendly. But yes, it comes in a quantity of 200 ml, and the main ingredients, as the name says, it's lavender and rose. As mentioned, it has no mineral oil, no synthetic fragrance as well. It comes with this spray bottle जो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, बिकॉज जो नॉर्मल टोनर्स कई बार रहते हैं जिनको आपको पोर आउट करना है कॉटन पैड पे या कॉटन पे एंड देन अप्लाई ऑन टू योर फेस, आई डोंट लाइक दैट मच, बट स्प्रे बॉटल वंस आर ईजियर टू यूज, सो आई लव इट. दो रोज वाटर एंड लेवेंडर वाटर इसके मेन इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं, बट इसमें उसके अलावा और भी बहुत कुछ है, लाइक ग्रीन टी एक्सट्रैक्ट, कुकुम्बर एक्सट्रैक्ट, देन यू हैव ग्लिसरीन, देन यू हैव एलोवेरा एक्सट्रैक्ट. सो देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ गुड इंग्रेडिएंट्स जो कि आपकी स्किन को अच्छे से हाइड्रेट करेंगे, एंड दीज विल ऑल्सो हेल्प यू टू रिड्यूस योर ब्लेमिशेस एंड टाइटन योर पोर्स. सो लेट मी जस्ट ट्राई इट. It really gives a refreshing feeling. Let it sit down on your face for a while. Fragrance, as they've mentioned, there is no artificial fragrance, तो इस प्रोडक्ट की फ्रेग्रेंस उतनी ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं है. बहुत ही नाइस सी रोज एंड लेवेंडर मिक्स काइंड ऑफ फ्रेग्रेंस है इसकी, एंड द फील इज अमेजिंग. बहुत रिफ्रेशिंग फील है इसका. टोनर्स यूज करके मोस्टली ऐसा रिफ्रेशिंग फीलिंग आता है, बट दिस वन इज एक्चुअली रियली वेरी गुड, एंड yeah, it has settled down on my skin. एकदम nicely settled हो गया है, which I like about it. Moving on to the next step and the next product, that will be this oil-free blemish care serum. So mostly ये जितने भी products हैं, they will be suitable for normal to oily skin, because as you see, this is also oil-free. तो dry skin वालों के लिए I won't say this would be a great choice. They have other products which will be really good for the dry skin. Because I have normal skin, so I can use these as well. Okay. So as the name suggests, this will reduce your spots. Blemish care है तो आपके जो भी spots या face पे acne scars हैं उसको reduce करने में ये बहुत अच्छे से help कर सकता है. And this is also anti acne, which is cherry on the top of the cake. और मैंने अभी बताया आपको कि oily skin के लिए और ये combination skin के लिए भी काफी अच्छा है. It again comes with this yeah. So this is in a glass bottle, which I really recommend and love, and it comes with this lid over this spray, this pump it nozzle. So you can either take a little bit on your hand and apply onto your face. I prefer applying it directly on the face. Apply करने के बाद just massage gently. Okay, so yes, it has completely dried up on my face. So fragrance wise, it doesn't have a artificial fragrance in this, so जो इसका smell है that is very natural and normal. Next, coming on to the ingredients, so I think it also has aloe vera. Yes, it has aloe vera leaf extract. Then there's glycerin, and then there is camphor essential oil, tea tree essential oil, and a lot more. Hyaluronic acid is there in this as well. So जितने भी इसके ingredients हैं, they will make sure that आपके जो blemishes हैं they are gone, the spots are gone. It will reduce with time. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप लगाएंगे तो एक बार में ऐसे निकल जाएंगे. Obviously you have to use it continuously to see the desired effect. तो first impression के हिसाब से I like this serum as well. Again, this is recommended for oily to combination skin type. Dry skin वाले बिल्कुल try ना करें, because it has a little drying effect. So it will be perfect for oily to combination skin. Rest apart from that, it has smoothened up my skin, which I love about it. I mean, face wash से ही हो गई थी smooth. अभी इसको apply करने के बाद और smooth हो गई है. It is really really smooth. So yeah, this was the third product. Moving on to the next and the last product for today, that is Wow Aloe Vera Multivitamin Face Cream. Again, it's a plastic bottle which comes with this kind of a packaging, which has this pump it up nozzle. You just need to pump a little and आपका cream ऊपर आ जाएगा. So pump it accordingly. जितना आपको apply करना है face पे उतना ही pump कीजिए. Otherwise you'll end up with extra cream on your hand. Okay, so let's just apply it first. So talking about the ingredients of this cream, it also has a main ingredient as aloe vera. सो एलोवेरा एक्सट्रैक्ट है इसमें, एंड एज द नेम सजेस्ट इसमें मल्टी वाइटामिन है, एंड उनमें अगर आई टेल यू स्पेसिफिकली जो इन्होंने मेंशन किए हैं, दैट इज विटामिन ए, विटामिन B3, विटामिन B5, विटामिन C एंड विटामिन E. So all these vitamins are really good for your skin. Vitamin C and vitamin E के effects तो well known है ही हैं, that they revive your skin and again blemishes remove करता है. It makes your skin hydrated. It makes your skin glowing. So all these ingredients will help in which are in this cream. ये सब आपको help करेंगे in making your skin glowy and brighter and hydrated. So and apply करने के बाद the effect is also nice. Again, I really feel like touching my face again and again. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. The face is really soft and smooth, which I really loved after using these products. Now talking about the fragrance, again like other products, इसमें artificial fragrance नहीं है. तो जो इसकी स्मेल थी दैट वाज रियली नेचुरल. कोई ऐसे पंजेंट एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग इसका फ्रेग्रेंस नहीं है, विच इज लाइक रियली नाइस. और अगेन सल्फेट फ्री, पैराबेन फ्री, सिलिकॉन फ्री, कलर फ्री, एंड ये पंप करने का जो इसका फीचर है दैट आई ऑल्सो लव कि आप पूरा अगर अपना फिंगर नहीं डाल रहे हो, इनकेस कभी आपके हाथ गंदे हो या कुछ हो, तो इट वोंट स्पॉइल द एंटायर क्रीम. यू आर जस्ट पंपिंग आउट अ लिटिल बिट एंड देन यूजिंग इट, विच इज रियली ग्रेट. एंड नॉट टू फॉरगेट, वाओ के सब प्रोडक्ट्स पे आपको ऐसा स्कैन कोड मिलेगा, विच यू कैन स्कैन एंड चेक कि जो इनके प्रोडक्ट्स हैं वो ओरिजिनल प्रोडक्ट्स आप तक पहुंचे हैं या फिर डुप्लीकेट या जो नकली प्रोडक्ट्स मिलते हैं वो आप तक पहुंचे हैं, विच इज़ अगेन अ रियली ग्रेट थिंग. बिकॉज ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर में आजकल मैंने देखा है बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि यू आर गेटिंग डुप्लीकेट प्रोडक्ट्स एंड बिकॉज द पैकेजिंग एंड एवरीथिंग इज सेम, आपको पता भी नहीं चलता एंड इट कैन हार्म योर स्किन. सो authenticity of a product is really important and they are giving you that as well. और price range की अगर मैं बात करूँ इन products की, the price range is quite affordable. जो इनका quantity है like this one is in 50 ml and the price range is 600 for a multivitamin cream like this, and the packaging and the bottle type what they are giving, I think the prices are really reasonable और आपको इन पे discounts भी मिलते रहते हैं mostly, so that is also great. So all in all, if I talk about the review of all these products, जो मेरा first impression and review है, I would give it a thumbs up because इनको use करने के बाद I really liked how my skin is feeling right now, and even though mine is a normal skin, so if it is feeling this good on normal skin, तो oily और combination skin पे तो this will be even more effective. So really recommended for oily and combination skin type, all these 4 products. And अगर ये products अच्छे हैं तो obviously इनके dry skin के जो products हैं वो भी काफ़ी अच्छे होंगे, so you can go and try it out. And I will obviously try them out for quite some time now and then give you a complete review for each and every product and what are the effects जो मैं उनका देख पाई after using them for a month or so. So stay tuned for that review and do follow me on my Instagram handle आपको यहाँ मिल जाएगा. I keep on posting product reviews and some fashion related videos over there, and अगर आप लोग उस चीज़ में interested हैं तो आपको Instagram पे मेरे को follow करके you can check it out. And if you're new to my channel and you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. आपको ऐसी और videos देखने को मिलेंगी. Along with this, I post videos related to travel and then fashion, then makeup and a lot more. So if you don't want to miss all that stuff, subscribe to my channel and do press the bell icon. Bell icon को press करने से मेरी videos के सारे notification आप तक पहुँचेंगे. That was all for today and I will see you soon with my new video. Till then, take care. Ta-da.